Wife of former Ukrainian politician caught with $28 million in cash at the Hungarian border. Criminal case has now been opened by the State Bureau of Investigation, accusing Kotvitska of not declaring the money. $28 million. And how do you carry $28 million? What does that even look like?
Yeah, I'm trying to imagine it.
What is the biggest bills? Is that like gold? What is the only way you can carry $28 million over the border? Let's see. Go ahead and scroll down. The wife of a former Ukrainian MP, Igor Kotvitsky, was caught bringing $28 million packed in suitcases. Anastasia Kotvitska was at a checkpoint in Villach, according to a publication there. And Hungarian customs discovered the bags with the cash in American dollars and euros in a minivan full of 28 mil. Good Lord. The suitcases were also reportedly filled with 1.3 million euros. So you got like $30 million in USD and euros. She had been traveling with 2 Hungarian citizens as well as her mother. A criminal case has now been opened by the State Bureau of Investigation, accusing Kotvitska of not declaring the money. Her husband, who was once one of the wealthiest politicians in Ukraine, said the story is fake, and his money allegedly continues to be stored in Ukrainian banks. I did not take anything out, he said. He told the Times that his wife was leaving Ukraine to give birth, but did not acknowledge that she had the money with her. Wow. Oh, there's a photo? That's exactly what $30 million looks like in suitcases. Just
large
jam-packed. Okay, never mind. It's not that much volume. It's a lot less than I thought, even just in $100 US bills. I guess it just packs in there so tight. I don't know. I haven't tried it before. Well,
yeah, very efficient.
I haven't tried it before. Good Lord. Well, anyway, it looks to be under dispute. Oh, man. In other Western regions, the situation is no better. He said the names of the customs officers and border guards involved in this business are well known in narrow circles. No official response from customs. Kotvitsky denied that his wife was detained. Interesting. Well, here's another. I mean, it's written on the National Post, but here's another example of, okay, I don't know, maybe. Disputed.
Sure.
A photo on social media.
Hopefully we'll find out
Husband
soon.
is wealthy. It has 121 comments. You want to just do a quick dive in there? In the comments? I did not take anything out. Kotvitsky said, my wife did. He told the Times his wife was leaving Ukraine to give... Okay, I see. I think we should look the other way and allow them to leave Ukraine. Who are we to judge? What does this tell you? She should have had crypto.
Yeah. Crypto would have solved it.
Just
in this case.
Just on her phone. Yeah. A hardware wallet.
Yeah.
That's a $30 million NFT collection.
Yeah. A couple Bored Apes.